Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Music Bass. Now here's a tune that one of my students was working on. It's a typical pop song where the same thing is played all the way through. But I thought it was interesting because it used 16th notes consistently through the song. The tune is She's All I Wanna Be by Tate McRae. The bass is tuned standard E-A-D-G and the key is D minor. Now there are a couple of ways that I play 16th notes, and I'm going to show you both ways. I can use two fingers like this, and that's one finger after another. That's the index and middle finger. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. Just like that. Now using two fingers is just fine. But sometimes I like using three because you get a more consistent sound, especially when you're doing a really fast tempo. It's going to sound like this. And when you speed it up, now let's compare the sound of two fingers to the sound of three fingers. Here's two fingers. Now here's three. Now I just like that a lot better. Now let's look at the notes we're playing for this song. We'll go to the A string, fret 5 for a D. We'll move to fret 5 on the E string, hit it twice, and go up to fret 6 and start our repetition again. We'll slide from 6 to 8 on the A string, and then go to fret 7. So here's the entire thing. And we can play that through the entire tune. Well, alright my friends, that's She's All I Wanna Be on 4-string electric bass guitar using 16th notes. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.